Hey everyone, Daniel here from Recipe Cost Calculator, and today I'm going to show you how you can create custom allergens that you can assign to your ingredients, and those allergens will flow through directly to your spec sheets or your allergen lists for those recipes. So the first thing you're going to do is come down to allergens and labels. You can see that we have a comprehensive list of 14 major allergens used in many countries around the world, but sometimes you need something custom, and you can do that here. Because I am drinking a mocha and my fourth coffee of the day, I am gonna put boredom here on my allergen list. And then what we're going to do is we will come into ingredients and we will come to our coffee ingredients and we will click on edit. Down at the bottom of this page, you can expand this allergen tab. You can say, yes, this has major allergens, and you can choose our custom allergen boredom on that ingredient, and we can save it. Once you've assigned an allergen to an ingredient, if that ingredient is used in any recipes, then that allergen will show up on the spec sheet for that recipe or in the allergen list for that recipe. So for example, if we come into recipes and we take a look at our 12-ounce coffee and we go to the spec sheet for that, we will see that boredom appears on the allergen list for that recipe. You can also export this information if you would like. You can click on recipes and you can download your recipes, and you can choose, for example, the name and the allergens, and you can download a list of all of your recipes and all of their corresponding allergens for use in your restaurant or production facility or wherever you are at. If you have any questions about this, we'd love to hear from you. Please let us know.